Welcome to Recipes for You, where beauty meets nature's wisdom. Today we begin with a secret mask to revive your youthful glow. This anti-aging remedy gently slows time's touch on your skin, protecting against wrinkles while restoring soft radiance. And now let's take the very first step of our journey. Each stage brings us closer to firmer, brighter skin. The first step is always the most exciting. It sets the stage for the transformation to follow. To begin this recipe, let's take a fresh carrot in our hands. Its vibrant color carries powerful nourishment for your skin. Gently peel the carrot, layer by layer with care, revealing the pure essence that nature has hidden inside. Carrots protect your skin from the march of time. They shield against fine lines and fading elasticity. Now grate the carrot slowly with a steady hand. Each strand holds vitamins that love your skin. Carrots boost collagen and smooth away tiny wrinkles. Their nutrients renew the skin's natural strength. Here we have the grated carrot, rich and fragrant, a key ingredient prepared for our magic blend. Strain the grated carrot to release its healing juice, a golden liquid filled with skin-loving secrets. Carrot juice works deeply to ease stubborn wrinkles. Its touch softens and revives tired complexions. This juice also tightens sagging areas of the face, guarding against the early signs of aging. It brightens uneven tones and lightens pigmentation, revealing a clearer and more youthful surface. Add 1 tablespoon of silky cornstarch to the mix. It blends smoothly and enhances skin softness. Cornstarch gently moisturizes and locks in hydration, helping your skin feel supple and fresh all day. Mix the ingredients carefully until they unite, creating a creamy texture full of promise. Pour this mixture into a small saucepan. Prepare it for gentle heat and transformation. Place the pan over a low flame for 15 minutes. Let warmth awaken the magic within the blend. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens. A smooth cream begins to take shape before your eyes. Turn off the heat when the cream is rich and silky. It's ready now, brimming with nourishment for your skin. We now hold the magic carrot cream in our hands, a golden treasure that promises renewal. Pour this precious cream into a clean bowl. It's time to enrich it with final touches. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil for radiance. This oil protects and feeds skin from deep within. If vitamin E is not nearby, no need to worry. Any natural oil can step in to complete the blend. Mix gently so every drop combines perfectly. The cream becomes smoother, richer, more alive. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the bowl. Its richness heals, softens, and calms the skin. Stir the mixture with patience and care. It's now a nourishing potion ready to serve. Step 2 begins as we prepare a new wonder. Flax seeds, tiny yet powerful, join our journey. Add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a pan. They will soon release a gel that renews skin deeply. Flax seeds erase fine lines and restore firmness. They fill the skin with vitality and resilience. Pour in half a cup of fresh water to the seeds. This liquid will draw out their secret gel. Heat the mixture for 15 minutes on the stove. Let time and warmth unlock its hidden beauty. Stir continuously until white foam begins to appear. A sign the gel is forming, rich and pure. Strain this blend with medical gauze or a filter, separating the gel from the tiny seeds. Use fine cotton cloth or gauze for best results. It will catch the seeds, but let the gel flow freely. At last, the flaxseed gel is ready to use. A silky substance brimming with youth-restoring power. We now hold flaxseed gel, clear and soothing, a partner to join our carrot cream mixture. Add this gel gently into the carrot cream. Watch the textures merge into perfect harmony. Flaxseed gel is rich with protective substances. They fight wrinkles and preserve youthful glow. These nutrients reduce visible signs of aging, restoring confidence with every application. If flaxseed gel is not available, use aloe vera. Its soothing touch works beautifully as a substitute. Blend everything well until smooth and united. The cream now carries layers of healing energy. Store this mixture in a glass jar, safe and clean, a treasure preserved for your skin's daily care. Keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, always fresh and ready when your skin calls. Now let's learn how to apply this remedy. The final step to unlock its true magic. Spread the cream gently over freshly cleansed skin, allowing its nutrients to sink deep and work. Massage it across your face and neck with care, covering every inch that longs for renewal. Pay special attention to wrinkled or tired areas. Let the cream linger where skin needs it most. Leave the mask to rest on your skin for 30 minutes, a quiet moment for healing and relaxation. Rinse it away gently with lukewarm water. Your skin feels refreshed, soft, and alive. Apply this ritual 3 times each week. Consistency brings beauty closer each day. For the best results, follow this routine faithfully. Your skin will thank you with visible changes. After the very first week, you'll notice a glow. Wrinkles soften, and radiance begins to return. You may even use this cream daily if desired. Safe, gentle, and powerful for ongoing care. If you found this recipe inspiring and helpful, please click the like button to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Your presence makes sharing these remedies special.